But the place we like to start, and the one that seems most simple, but for whatever reason we don't do it particularly well, is the fourth gear around result-oriented goals. It seems really simple. People ought to have goals. What we find is a lot of times people don't have goals. And what they describe as their goals, even if they do have goals, tend to be more activity-based, stuff I do, not results I'm supposed to deliver. And so we'll often start with an organization, and this is simple for anybody in any organization of any size, whether it's two people with a little startup in a garage, or a mid-sized company that's really trying to grow to a mega corporation, or a mega corporation, is just have the performers write down what they believe their top 3 to 5 goals are, top 5 goals. And then have their managers, their supervisors, whatever, write down what they think the performers' top 5 goals are. So now you've got 2 lists of 5 that should be about what the performer is supposed to accomplish on a day in and day out basis to execute the company strategy. The 2 lists of 5 ought to match. But what we have found over literally thousands of repetitions is that on average, about 2 out of 5 actually match, which means 40% of the time people are working on the stuff that are maybe important to the strategy. 60% of the time they're working on other things. And so that's a simple place to start, because if you can fix that one, first of all, we get better alignment between what people are doing and what they're supposed to be doing. And then secondly, if we're still not getting the results we want, then we can begin to look at the other gears and see which ones of those are most broken. So that's always a great place to start. Get alignment around the goals.